Hi, I'm Attorney Ben Schwartz. Today I'm interviewing Attorney Bill Deely. We're both with the law firm of Schwartz & Schwartz with offices in Wilmington and Dover, Delaware. Today we're going to talk about drug crimes. Bill, I appreciate you letting me ask you a couple questions. Bill is a criminal defense lawyer with the firm, and I think it's fair to say the majority of the cases that you handle are criminal defense cases. Would you agree with that?
That's correct, for sure.
Bill, do you see any trends in the Delaware court system in terms of the types of drug crimes that are being charged?
Well, I can say for the last several years, drug crimes in Delaware were almost exclusively heroin, fentanyl, other opioids, and marijuana. But probably in the last 8 or 9 months, cocaine seems to be making a comeback. Mm-hmm. And throughout that time, there have been intermittent methamphetamine cases. But primarily it was heroin.
When I started practicing, I started practicing in 2001, and I had a Superior Court conflict attorney contract in Kent County. The drug crimes were almost exclusively crack cocaine and marijuana, and I don't remember any particular cases involving heroin or fentanyl or anything. When do you think the trend started going in that direction?
Well, I couldn't put an exact time frame on it, but I would say probably 8 or 9 years ago, the heroin trend picked up, and it reached a point where you didn't see anything but heroin cases, with a few exceptions of marijuana and once in a great while methamphetamines. But as you said, crack and cocaine appear to be coming back slightly. You're now starting to see some of those cases back in Delaware, whereas for several years we really didn't see any to speak of.
I'm going to ask you, as a criminal defense attorney who's done numerous defenses of drug crimes, do you have any tips, generally speaking, tips for folks who might have been arrested and now they're charged with drug crimes? Do you have any thoughts on how they can maximize the best result that they can get in their drug crime criminal cases?
Well, if you're arrested for a drug crime or stopped for drugs, the most important thing is don't talk to the police. They're trained to get you to talk and make you believe that you can get out of the case by talking. That's not going to happen. There are no friends in the drug business. The police aren't great investigators. They make most of their arrests because somebody dimes out, one of their friends or another drug user or something, because everyone is looking for a deal. If you get charged with a drug case and you're facing charges, there's a couple things I'd recommend. First of all, try to get a job, because a job will go a long ways in humanizing you and making the prosecutor believe that you're not just a drug addict. Get some references, and most importantly, if you have a problem or if you don't think you have a problem but you're using drugs on a regular basis, try to get some help in counseling. Go to your family physician, go to a drug treatment clinic. That will go a long ways in helping to resolve the case favorably to you.
Bill, these are good tips. If folks want to get a hold of you and have a free consultation about their pending Delaware criminal case, how do they get a hold of you?
You can call my office at 678-8700, that's area code 302, or you can call my cell at 302-584-2755.
Bill, thanks for taking the time today. I appreciate you going on video with me.
Thank you.